This is the last time the staff at this sushi restaurant will be carrying these tables and chairs outside for their clients. As Los Angeles public health officials announced, outdoor dining at restaurants will be suspended amid a surge of new coronavirus cases.
We have just invested in an outdoor patio, extra tables, chairs, and umbrellas so the business could finally pick up after extended closures. But this latest measure has now crushed all our hopes, and I don't think we will survive.
He says he won't lay off his employees until the very end, but his business will now rely on takeout and deliveries. And for thousands of employees who just recently got back to work, their income is once again on the line.
I'm not okay with it. If it's law, it's law, but it's going to really hurt the businesses to limit hours and limit the number of tables, number of guests, because you can't make the money. If you've got a full staff, you can't pay them.
Several restaurants had already been facing financial troubles due to coronavirus restrictions, and some had even invested in these outdoor dining patios in order to stay afloat. But many are now worried that this latest measure could actually put them out of business.
The latest move follows a limited stay-at-home order that took effect over the weekend.
We're asking that as part of this targeted, limited stay-at-home order, that people are home by 10 and stay home until 5 a.m. This means that many essential businesses that we've in the past called non-essential businesses, there's a list of what's included and not included in that category, that we ask that they close operations by 10 p.m., that people can get home by then, and that they stay home, and those businesses don't resume operations till at least 5 a.m.
The so-called curfew is expected to last at least for a month, but on its very first day, hundreds have come out in defiance to protest the measure, many of them carrying Trump flags, gathered in large groups without masks or social distancing. But for the majority of the residents, containing the virus takes priority.
It's understandable, and if it's going to be saving lives and it's going to be lowering the rates of COVID, why not?
For months, California has suffered significant blows in its effort to contain COVID-19. It's determined to do what it can ahead of the holidays. It is Tiyansan, CGTN, Los Angeles.